बच्चा गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग, सुबह हो गया। चिंटू बेबी गुड मॉर्निंग, से गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
अबे चिंटू बेबी बच्चा का गुड मॉर्निंग हो गया। और साथ में ये कौन सोया है रे? ये कौन सा सोया है? बटन वाला बच्चा।
मेरा बच्चा अक्षय।
ये अक्षय। अक्षय एंड चिंटू बेबी। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। चाचा चाचा। अभी हम लोग अपोलो हॉस्पिटल के किचन में हैं। अभी चिंटू बेबी बच्चा कुछ किचन के आइटम सीखेगी ताकि मुझे बना के खिला सके।
अभी कहाँ पे रहते हैं आप लोग? बानाघाटा रोड पे। यहाँ बानाघाटा सामने एलएनटी साउथ सिटी के पास।
ये हमारा
हाँ
हमारा सीट को पसंद अपोलो हॉस्पिटल रे हम ओडिया भाई। तुम घर कौटी भाई? तुम घर कौटी?
आम घर केन्द्रापड़ा।
केन्द्रापड़ा। तो तुम्हें कौन रांधुच आज?
डाली
डाली। तो से आज हमको बतेबे डाली केमती रंधा हो। डाली रे आगे जीरा पकाएला तापर प्याज पकाएला। जीरा पाउडर, धनिया पाउडर,
थोड़ा गरम मसाला,
थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला और
नमक बस।
नमक और किसी नहीं।
और कस्तूरी मेथी देखो
थोड़ा सा कस्तूरी मेथी। सबूरे कस्तूरी मेथी पकाओ कि?
सब डाली रे पल्या रे
डाली रे कस्तूरी मेथी। कस्तूरी मेथी। और बाकी आपको एड तो कौन बॉयल करनी चाहिए?
हाँ बॉयल तो लूना पका के बॉयल कर।
तो पहले ना ये जो बीन्स है इसको छोटा छोटा काट के नमक डाल के बॉईल कर देना है। ये बीन्स है, बीन्स को बॉईल कर देना है नमक देकर। हाँ यही मसला को पड़ेगा। ये मसला এটা कौन?
এটা হচ্ছে গ্রেভি, অনিয়ন গ্রেভি।
खाली अनियन
অনিয়ন আর বেবি ক্যাশনাট।
बेबी कैप्सिकम।
ক্যাশনাট।
बेबी कैशनट।
वो मिक्सी रे ये करके सेटा
डायबिटिक पेशेंट पे कौन कौन सा?
ये किसी टाटा।
अच्छा
डायबिट में ना आलू खाइबानी,
आलू खाइबानी,
कैरेट खाइबानी, सांबर खाते ना।
हाँ ये सांबर बनाओगे?
ये सांबर,
ये सांबर कौन कौन पकड़ो?
तार हम मसाला बनाओ।
अच्छा मसाला बता दो।
अब ये तो डाल, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा डाल के लाल मिर्च नहीं डालते आप? हाँ लाल में ये मिर्च लाल मिर्च भी डाल सकते हैं। नहीं इनसे सफेद ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಬ. ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಜೀರಾ
डाली पकड़ दो। रखो डाली
ಮೂಂಗ್ ದಾಲ್।
मूंग दाल। Sent to by Dr. Srikanta. Now, Dr. Srikanta has clearly said that it's an internal device, which should be sponsored by the insurance company. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, they just had a word with Dr. Srikanta. They had about 1 hour conference with Dr. Srikanta. Dr. Srikanta made them convinced that it's an internal device. So, okay. 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 Thank you, Parma. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Parma said let the doctors decide first. The panel of doctors.
See, in the end, what you can do is you can tell the infusion sets are internal. So you can say that I require around 20 boxes and claim 20 boxes now only. That will be like around 1,60,000. So you have to buy the pump, but 2 years ka supplies will come from the insurance.
What you say? What you say?
What is internal? What is 4,000 rupees every month? That is internal. That you can prove it.
Yeah.
That you need every month. So you can say we require 20 boxes, 2 years ka now only supply. If not that way, then cash them the other way. Actually, given sir the other idea also, if they don't agree for the insulin pump, at least the supplies are internal, which is the internal device that goes inside.
Anyway, they cover. I mean, if we can diagnose.
So then every month or the 20 boxes at one time, they can 2 year supply, they can cover it with the hospital thing. Or cover the implantable part also.
Oh, first time I'm seeing Mamta in a normal dress other than the hospital.
She's off now.
बच्चा खुश है ना बच्चा स्माइलिंग ना फिर भी टेंशन क्या है आपको बता
He's one of the lucky ones to diagnose and being straight on the best on technology. Like we all have
I know.
Farah, we should make him meet. He was telling Dr. Selling yesterday night he was acting like a baby. We should make him meet Farah, Renuka, 25 years,
Farah
Sunita,
definitely yes.
Sunita. These are all diabetics since 4 years when they were 4 years, 5 years old. And now they're 28.
And he was
29.
asking also, and I said first let him.
So they have taken around 6 lakh, 7 lakh injections over the period of so many years. Hello? Yeah, auntie. I'll call you back, auntie. And it's nothing.
Doctor was telling me that some research is going on where the this will be inside the body.
It's already there. But why you need it inside the body? Why you want to cut your body? It's a headache. Implantable pumps are already there. There's no research. It's available in UK. If you want, I'll get it done for you. What's the point? Every month they'll take such a big needle in the hospital and they'll inject you 400 insulin inside.
Oh my god.
They'll have to, with the camera, they'll have to first search where it is, the pump inside. And then they'll inject into the diaphragm 400, you 400 insulin. Then you cannot use this reservoir. Just 1 or 2 just to spread the grease evenly.
Okay.
Then take the insulin.
Okay.
Insulin is little cold, so you have to get it to room temperature because if you fill cold insulin inside that,
Okay.
once it becomes warm, there will be bubbles.
Okay.
That's why we say keep it out of the fridge 1 hour before.
Okay.
No problem. face the lines of the syringe in front of you. Take the needle cap from top and slowly press the insulin inside the reservoir at the slanting position like this.
Okay. Okay.
Do it very slowly so that you don't have any bubbles. Now bring it to, every marking is 20 units. So bring it to 100, 160, 180, 200. Okay. Bring it to 200 and press this air out. Now you have one more day of the site, I can either just change the insulin and you can come tomorrow to my office for the site in the morning, or you want me to change the site also today.
Which is side? So I get 2 more days, 3 more days.
You take this. You have to do it in a table because this is really uncomfortable. You just hold this.
Let's go outside then. We have table there.
No problem. Just hold this now. We'll finish it here. Okay. Give me this. You remove the needle. Take the infusion. Place it here. And just tighten it. And press slowly till one drop comes out from the. Now in this method of the pump, only you can fill up to 150 units.
Okay.
If I remove the one, there's a cap inside, then you can fill more than this thing. But in the new pump, it's not like this. You can fill how much ever you want. Now I open the lock, I will put these two up, and I have removed the old one. You can throw the old reservoir. See, if I remove this, then I can fill full syringe also.
Which, okay.
Maybe you will require more insulin than this because you require 30 plus 50 units a day. So in 3 days you need 150 units.
Okay.
So I'll have to, next time when you come to my office, I have a thing to remove this. If I remove this, then you can fill full insulin also, more than 200 units, 300 units. Because now initially you require a lot of insulin.
Okay.
Okay?
So we can't remove this through hand?
No. There's a special device for that to remove it. Push this inside. Okay. And then you take one side here, just drop it down. Okay. And close this.
Okay.
Why we pressed it till 1 unit comes out, so that the whole tube is full of insulin. Now what we do is a prime. What I taught you in the hospital, we do a 5 unit prime, so that clasp close and 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 drop should come out from the
pump,
from the needle there. So I do 5 units activate. Your reservoir volume I have to set to 150. You can see how much is there. 100, 40, and between 40 and 60, 10. So 150 is there. So press activate. Just put it in the pouch, and now I'll wait for the 1 drop to come out.
But I'm sure I'll get it.
If it's not kept in the fridge, then you can throw it. It is not, no, because so many days kept outside.
एक ही दिन तो हुआ है कल से
2 दिन तो हॉस्पिटल में ही बाहर था.
ओह
At half.
हाँ वो हाथ तो बाहर ही था ड्रॉ में था
Yeah.
हॉस्पिटल के
Even this also now you can keep it back in the fridge in that packet. This half.
How many hours if you keep outside it's going
Not
to be
how many
useless.
hours, 2-3 days. It's not useless, it's just that you
It's
can
not
keep it, don't
effective.
throw it. It's not that effective.
हाँ वो आधा बोतल वाला जो था ना वो हॉस्पिटल में बाहर रखा है
See now 2 drops have come out. So now what we do is put it on suspend and do the side change. Do you have the alcohol swabs
Alcohol swabs?
for cleaning your site?
No. What is that? I don't know.
Before you do your finger test, how do now you connect the don't touch the needle with the hand. Connect. No, the other side. If it's not going this side, only one side it can go. So now you do a remove from suspend and do a 0.7 prime.
0.7 prime. That is basal rate.
Prime to fill the empty. No, wait, don't get stretched like that. To fill the empty tube. Inside there's an empty tube, no? Remove it from suspend first.
Okay.
Activate.
Activate.
Go to the prime screen.
This is prime screen.
Select till you come to the prime. You can see it on the screen.
This is bolus program.
Keep selecting.
Imbalance. Today. Prime. This is prime.
Activate. 0.7. Activate. Activate. And do the 0.7. Dr. Shrikanta has told me to change your basal rate, so I'll change your basal rates.
हाँ कैसे चेंज करते बेसिक रेट सीख लो
It's 0.8 now. It starts from night 12 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock, it's 5. Okay.
Five.
Now we'll keep one more basal rate, but we'll keep it at 5 only.
Okay.
Till 8. If you have to change your morning. From 8 o'clock in the morning, he's told me to do it as 1 unit till night. Becomes 20. Okay. That is now 1 unit. Night till morning 5. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock also 0.5. 8 o'clock to night 12. 1 o'clock. 1 unit per hour. So 12 a.m. Okay, 0.5. 5 a.m. again 0.5 till 8. From 8 o'clock till night comes to 20 units. 20 plus 10 you take more, 30 you take 50 units per day. Okay.
Okay.
Should
10, 10,
10,
10,
10,
10,
10.
50
Now you come to the house, you try 8 units for the
Okay.
foods.
for the food.
You don't try 10, 10, 10. Now you can throw this needle and you can keep the shower cap. The rest of the things can be thrown. Both the needles can be thrown.
So as an accessory, I require insulin. Then I
You
require.
can throw this also.
This is the old one.
Yeah.
वन टाइम यूज है क्या
हाँ.
ये वाला?
one time use.
अच्छा वो मैं भूल गई, इनको पता होगा कि पता नहीं, पूछ लो। जो हम लोग वो नहीं यूज़ करते हैं ब्लड शुगर चेक करने के लिए, वो टूंग करके जो लगा देते हैं, खून निकलता है उससे, उसके अंदर भी एक वाइट कलर का निडल डालते हैं, वो कितने दिन यूज होता है?
That you have to change every 10 days.
Every 10 days.
अच्छा 15-20 डेज बोला था।
After 10 days it will become soft and it hurts.
Okay.
10 days.
कितने दिनों में आपको वो वाला यूज़ किया?
It comes in 3 color, the mini weight one.
No, here you get only one color. Black. The other 5 and 7 and 12 comes in blue color. These are all the alert cards and these are all the alert cards, everything, warning alerts and all that. So we just keep it carefully.
Okay. I'll go through all the manual carefully.
This is a warranty card, but we just keep it because this is from a new pump. So just keep it carefully, don't lose it.
Okay. Take a picture of me and Subhas.
Yeah, sure.
Both pump diabetes. Dr. Srikanta was telling
Pumpers
me
Club.
he will introduce me with Pumpers Club.
Yeah, we have a pumpers club, children and all that.
Huh?
We
How
have
many
pumpers.
people?
There are 14 people.
All 14 people.
Yeah.
Whoever.
All are children.
Most of them are children. Farah, me, him, and Naveen. We are the same age.
4.
4 of us.
तो 13 में से 4 मतलब बाकी जो सारे बच्चे हैं बेचारे, 7 बच्चे।
Farah is taking from 8 years, but she is 8 years old.
Yeah.
She's of same age, he's saying.
But she's been in the insulin for last 10-15 years.
She is more than 15 years.
Oh my god.
From the age of 8 or 7 she started.
अच्छा छोटे बचपन में है डायबिटीज, जैसे माँ बाप को कैसे मालूम पड़ जाता है तुरंत?
Excess urination, tiredness.
ये सब आ जाती है, symptoms है.
Oh.
He would have had some symptoms, no? Excess
Right.
urination and all that.
That is from
Thirst.
past 6 months.
Thirst, yeah, fatigue.
मुझे तो लगता है दिल्ली से आपको बहुत प्यास लगती है, जान दो, बोलना बेकार। ठीक है, पिक्चर ले रहे हैं आप दोनों का, थोड़ा पास में।
Take a picture.
ना रे आपका नहीं आ रहा पास में, थोड़ी हो जाओ आप, ये बराबर बैठे हैं आप, उनके पास आ जाओ थोड़ा। स्माइलिंग फेस रखे, क्या बात है?
You have to be happy, no?
You
Whatever happened.
know why is happy? ममा ना, जब भी ममा होते हैं बहुत खुश होते हैं वो।
No, honestly, the reason of my happiness is this pump. Okay? Taking injections was so horrible, man. 4 injections every day.
ठीक है, 1 फोटो राइट। आप बहुत कॉर्नर पे आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा आ जाए थोड़ा और।
तो उसको zoom out करो ना थोड़ा सा उसको.
अच्छा जूम आउट करो,
हाँ.
ये मैक्सिमम है इस तरफ।
अच्छा, zoom in हो रहा है उधर.
क्या बता रहे जूम आउट, स्टार्ट।
You press it. Keep on press.
ये
इसको press करके रखो.
ओह